My dear students, good morning. I hope you all are well by the grace of Allah. I am your teacher, Ken Jakaria Alum. You know, the entire country is seriously affected with viral coronavirus. So, you are deprived of all types of classes in the school. You have been absent from the class at least for 4 months. It is really very sad for us. And the coronavirus has broken out all over the world. Like other countries, our country is also seriously attacked with serious fatal virus. A few days ago, I took an important online class on English Part A. Today, I am going to teach you English Part B. You are welcome to participate in the class. Today I am going to teach you question number 7, that is the part of B. Part A is based on Scene Passage 1. It is textbook related. Question number 1. Choose the correct answer. That is objective achievement test. Question number 2. Short questions. That means scene passage is based on question number 1 and 2. Question number 3. It is textbook based question, but scene passage will not mention on the question. Part B, it is totally unseen. That means information transfer, table and true false will be mentioned in the question. Question number 6, it is filling activities but unseen. 10 or 12 words will be mentioned on the box, but the word which is necessary to fill the gap, you have to choose from the box. Question number 7, it is really unseen. It is not related to the textbook. So, if you want to succeed or if you want to prepare your answer well, you have to study heart and soul. You have to realize more and more to fill the gap. You need a lot of stock of words, and you have to choose what types of words are necessary to fill the gaps. So, please look at the board and practice yourself for your better preparation. There are some questions number A, B, C and D on the board. This is filling activities without clues. Before preparing your answer, you have to realize about the passage. Man cannot live dash. Man is a social being, he has to live in society. So, without anyone, nobody can live. So, man can't live alone. Here A is alone. He always dash for companions. He always looks. Here S is used after verb as the subject is third person singular. Man is a social being, social. As a part of his society, he has to do many social, good or noble, anyone may use in the gap, noble activities without getting or having, anyone may use in the gaps E, his companion self. He is unable to build up a successful society. Next, question number B. Bangladesh is a small country. You have to think what types of passages are mentioned on the question. So, by reading more and more the passage, you have to realize the theme and choose the words which are necessary or important to fill the gaps. Bangladesh is a small country, but our country is full of natural resources. Here resources, assets. The development of the country depends on the proper use of these resources. Depends or relies on the proper use of these resources. It is our duty or responsibility to build up the country. So, we should work hard together for the development of the country. Question number C. There are many virtues of a man. Honesty is one of them. You have to know about honesty. What is honesty? Honesty is a great virtue. It helps a man to succeed in life. Here A, succeed or shine or gain or prosper, anyone may use in life. An honest man is loved and respected by all. Before preposition, all types of verbs will be past participle. That means this is passive sentence. Nobody believes a dishonest man. A man may be successful or rich or gainer by means of dishonesty, that is short-lived. Question number D. The little bee flies from flower to flower. Here to is preposition. It knows no rest from dash to evening. Here morning or dawn, D-A-W-N, dawn. Anyone may use. Morning and dawn both are the same in meaning. It collects honey from flowers. Thus it fills its big hive with little drops of honey. Here with is used as a preposition, gap T. The whole day they go about searching for food. We can learn a lot from the life of insects. This is question number 7. It is unseen and out of textbook. So you have to try heartily to develop your vocabulary words. Now I am going to discuss about the question number 6. It is the part of part B. That means filling activities with clues. There are 10 or 12 question vocabulary words are on the box. Whenever you will fill the gaps, you must choose the word from the box which is necessary in the box, in the gap. Fill in the gaps using clues from the box. There are more words than necessary. One word can be used once only. Each gap is for half. Total marks of the question is 5. There are 2, 4, 6, 8, 10 and 12. That means more words are on the box. Only appropriate words are to be used by you to fill the gaps. A rainy day is dash and gloomy. Gap A is dull. Perhaps it will be very easy for you to choose the word from the box, as the word will be mentioned in the box. A rainy day is dull and gloomy. On this day it rains. Here it is third person singular, so S is added with verb. All day long. On this day it rains all day long. People can't come out from their home. Here from is preposition. The roads become muddy and slippery. Sometimes the sun is not seen in the sky. Here the is definite article. Before sky, the is used. It is the law of definite article. It brings misery for the poor and day laborers. They have to stay inside their houses. As a result, they are to starve in a rainy day. It is easier than the question number 7. Next, question number 2. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11. There are available words in the box, but you will use the suitable word which is necessary in each gap. Ours is an agricultural country. Hence, most of the people of our country directly or indirectly depend on agriculture for their livelihood. Here for is preposition for their livelihood. Many industries of our country also depend on agricultural products. Agriculture plays a vital role in our national economy. It supplies foodstuff for both human and animal. As the question is filling activities with clues, it is your idea when you will fill the gaps. You must choose one word for each gap. But there is no problem because words are available in the box. When you will prepare well from exercise, you will realize and develop your preparation. All types of board questions will be practiced for your better preparation. From the text along with reference books will be followed carefully. As you are the students of JC exam, your preparation should be well. So, from the beginning to the end of book, that means textbook, you must study more and more. Some important topics which are necessary and more important for the JH exam. These should be finalized by your own idea. There are 4 parts in the English question. Part A is seen, Part B unseen, Part C unseen, Part D grammar part. So, to prepare well, you have to study carefully, attentively, heartily. When you will fail to understand about any question, please cooperate and communicate with us or your classmates. Inshallah, tomorrow I will take part C and D. Thank you. See you again.